Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Executive Director of the Basser Center, Dr. Susan Domchek.
Thank you so much. So as you saw in the video, the science can get a little complicated, but the Basser Center's mission has always been clear: to give patients and families access, education, resources, and hope to see a future free from the devastating effects of BRCA-related cancers. What ultimately drives all of us in the BRCA scientific community is family. It was a family's love that inspired the creation of the center, and families who are affected generation after generation by these mutations. Unfortunately, I have given chemotherapy to mothers and daughters at the same time. And when you do that, it is a powerful reminder that future generations deserve much better options. I am motivated every day by the courage and strength of our patients and their families, and I and all of us at Basser will not stop till we uproot the threat of these mutations. We are exploring this problem from every angle, bringing geneticists, physician scientists, and counselors together to accelerate our progress. It's truly a team effort. The work at the Basser Center would not be possible without the leadership of Ronnie Drapkin, Roger Greenberg, Kate Nathanson, and Beth Stearman, and our as well as our partners at distinguished cancer centers around the world, many of whom are here tonight. Collaboration is the heart of Mindy and John's mission. By working together with the brightest minds, we are advancing discoveries at a quicker pace than ever before, and we really are getting results. Basser is proud to have led the efforts in the development and first FDA approval of the PARP inhibitor olaparib for treatment of BRCA1 and BRCA2 associated ovarian cancer. And we are now working with our colleagues across the country, especially Mark Robson, who's here tonight, to secure FDA approval to treat metastatic BRCA-related breast cancer. By targeting the weakness of BRCA-associated cancer, these drugs are extending lives. To tell a story to illustrate this point, at the age of 54, my patient, Charlie Munson, was diagnosed with breast cancer, and at 71, 17 years later, with pancreatic cancer. Chemotherapy was not working, and his prognosis was quite poor. But then Charlie had the opportunity to enroll in a clinical trial at the Basser Center using a PARP inhibitor, and his results have been incredible. Charlie's cancer has not grown or spread in over 7 years. He has his life back, a life of fishing trips, So it's a life of fishing trips and grandchildren and taking pills every day. Today, PARP inhibitors are being studied broadly in the field. They've been approved to treat ovarian cancer in general, not just BRCA-related, proving that while Basser's focus is specific, its reach is broad. I'm extremely proud of all that we've accomplished, but we also know that it's not nearly enough. There are not enough stories like Charlie's, and the options we have for preventing cancer come with a very high cost. We will remain focused and committed until children, like those in the video, no longer need to learn those big words, until our impact is so big that BRCA cancers no longer exist. With the progress we've seen in such a short time, I believe that this goal is in reach. And now it is my pleasure to introduce you to our second honorees of the evening, Raquel and Michael Haas. Raquel and Michael are two of our most dedicated Basser Center advocates, and we are so grateful for their tireless commitment to our work. As you will hear from them, their story is a story of combining the strength and courage of patients with the relentless work of teams of scientists to provide hope and better choices for future generations. So please join me in welcoming an inspiration to us all, Raquel and Michael.